people, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about something that most of us would have heard, at least, that is tennis elbow. What is the first thing that comes to your mind when you hear tennis elbow? Is it something related to the sport tennis? Is it an injury that happens to people who play tennis? What is it? So today we are going to be talking about how it can happen, to whom it can happen, and what can you do if you have. फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट एक डाउट के बारे में मैं क्लियर करना चाहूँगी कि क्या टेनिस एल्बो सिर्फ उन्हीं को होता है जो बहुत टेनिस खेलते हैं? जी नहीं. अगर ये चीज़ द सचिन तेंदुलकर को हो सकती है तो वी विल बी ग्रेवली मिस्टेकन टू कंसिडर इट एंड गो बाय इट्स नेम एंड थिंक दैट दिस कैन ओनली हैपन टू पीपल हु प्ले टेनिस. सो व्हाट इज टेनिस एल्बो? Basically, tennis elbow is a painful condition that occurs due to overloading of the tendons of the elbow, which is caused due to overuse or repetitive motions of the wrist and arm. If you have tennis elbow, you would be suffering from pain when you do movements such as shaking hands, gripping an object, opening a doorknob, or lifting some heavy object, or trying to straighten your wrist, etc. This time we find out that who are these people who are prone for tennis elbow. Tennis elbow is an injury or a condition which is generally found in sports people who have a lot of arm and wrist movements and repetitive movements such as badminton, squash, obviously tennis, then fencing, even weightlifting activities or weightlifting sports. Apart from sports, regular people can also come up with tennis elbow if they have a long sitting desk job which involves a lot of typing on the keyboard or using a mouse for a very longer period of time, knitting jobs or carpentry jobs which can involve a lot of movements at the arm and the wrist. In order to understand what all I just said, it is important that we run to the next segment, that is the anatomy segment of the video. The three bones involved in the elbow joint are the humerus, radius and ulna. The elbow complex comprises of two joints, that is the humeroradial joint and the humeroulnar joint. The lateral epicondyle of humerus is the most important bony mark for tennis elbow. There are multiple ligaments present around the elbow, but here we are concerned with the ligaments attached to the lateral aspect of the elbow, that is on the outer side of the elbow. The extensor group of muscles in the forearm are attached to the lateral epicondyle with the help of tendons. This site of attachment is called as the common extensor origin. Amongst other muscles, extensor carpi radialis brevis is one of the chief muscles involved in tennis elbow. Repetitive movements and overuse of these muscles can cause microtrauma, thus leading to tear in the tendons, causing inflammation in the lateral aspect of the elbow. This injury in turn leads to pain and swelling on the outer aspect of the elbow and painful movements which require the aforementioned muscles. Since this injury involves inflammation of the tendons attached to lateral epicondyle, the condition is scientifically called as lateral epicondylitis. Now that's a brief discussion about the anatomy and biomechanics of tennis elbow. Moving ahead towards the treatment of the same, it is divided into two broad categories, that is the conservative treatment and surgical treatment. We shall be focusing more on the conservative treatment. This treatment goes along the following points, which are: immobilization is the limitation of the movement or avoiding the movement completely with the help of some kind of splint. Cryotherapy is the use of cold with the help of ice packs or ice cube applied to the location of pain. And exercises, there are varied exercises which can help with tennis elbow, amongst which I shall be showing some of them in the next segment. enjoyed the video and you learned a little bit something from it, and I hope I've cleared a little bit doubts from here and there. Let me know what you think about the video, and if you have any further doubts and what you would like to see in the next video. Thank you. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel.